did I discover a 1943 bronze planchet cent. Now these would be really rare if I found one. Now someone put here 1943 bronze, mint error, and then someone afterwards in a different writing wrote steel and plated steel at the bottom. Probably my dad. I wanted to preserve this holder because it's a good example of what to do when you think you found something like this. You know, first off, you need to know the weight of a steel planchet and an actual real copper bronze planchet. So a bronze planchet will weigh 3.1 grams, whereas the steel planchets are 2.7. And that's why you need the red book, because it'll tell you right here, 2.7 grams. Now, we know that they were, coated in zinc and they were magnetic. So if this is bronze, it can't be magnetic, but it is. And that's another thing to have as a magnet. Here's a little test that you can use and tools to have to identify off-planchet metals. There's also a list of coins that were struck by the U.S. Mint from other countries on NGC's website. You can go over there and you can check that out too. But what we're looking at here is a 1943 that was plated in copper. Now we can even weigh it. We can use these scales here. These are the scales I recommend. I bought these off eBay. I think they were like 10 bucks. So 5.4 with the staples and the holder. Now we know how much these holders weigh, 2.5 grams, and we can do the math, basically 2.5 from 2.9 with the staples. And so we're looking at around 2.8 with the plating. That would be perfect because, like I said, 2.7 grams on the steel planchet. It can vary by a 0.1 gram or two. That's completely normal. People have to realize that there is a mint tolerance and allowance where a planchet can weigh a little bit more or a little bit less. And it really has to weigh a lot more or less to be in that, thick planchet or too thin planchet or rolled thin planchet stock. But anyways, being not bronze and not copper, either way, and being a plated steel cent, we know that this is not an experimental. We know this didn't come from the mint this way, so it's not really worth anything but an educational tool, and that's why I'm keeping it in this holder. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, comment, hit the sub button, and hit the bell to get all notifications, and have a great day.